Oh god, ASMR, ASMR. What's up, YouTube? All right, it is post snow apocalypse here in Texas, and I'm gonna go get some parts. And I got the two-door putting in work. You can see it's a little muddy. Now on ice, as soon as one wheel started to spin, it didn't do anything. But I'm gonna see how it does in mud. And oh my, this is like, my feet are like heavier. I low-key did get stuck earlier, and I had to power through it. So how she does in this very, very deep mud. I would take her all the way over there to see how she does, but nah. And I can't get out of that. I can't get out of the way of that trailer anyway. That truck over there, we actually did a head gasket on, if you're curious. And look at the G-body. Oh goodness. Oh, I need me a G-body. So I'm gonna show you how it does, how it spins, how it sounds. And I think just by me getting here, you see I'm parked off to the side, I learned the meaning of mud tires. But anyway, let's go have some fun in the mud. All right, so we're just in two-wheel drive. Gonna get out. Dude, I hope I'm not kicking myself in the ass by doing this right now. Oh, there goes the one-wheel peel. I felt it. There it goes. All right. Now, we're gonna put it in neutral. See if we can hear the 4 high. I heard it. Kick it and drive. Okay, so. Oh, we are deep. Oh, yeah, we're spinning. We're spinning. This is terrible. I need some mud tires. See what happens if I kick it in forward low. Ooh. Oh, felt the big gear change. Forward low has to be like 5-10 rear gears or something. Or like going a little bit. But yeah, I definitely see the point of having mud tires now. Let's see what we can see in the rear view. Nothing really. Oh, this is point of no return. I just felt the body drop a lot. Okay, so I would say we're pretty muddy. This is like a terrible like excuse or like proof of me using 4x4. Actually, it may not be, because it's pretty in there. Don't ask me why I'm wearing a headlight and it's sunny as hell outside. Okay. Another shot. Oh my god, so much mud. Still in 4 low. Oh, look at that. Come on. There we go. There we go. Didn't do too bad. Didn't do too bad. Let's put it back in two-wheel drive. Look at that. It got out. Not bad. I'm actually not even worried about getting stuck. Actually, I probably shouldn't have said that. I probably should not have said that. And right now I'm getting the one tire fire. You can hear it. One tire fire. Okay. Look at that. Oh, I thought I saw a dog. Pretty deep. Okay, now in two-wheel drive, we're pretty stuck. Kick it in neutral. Let's try 4 high. Just give it a little sauce. I wonder what happens if I just hit it. Hey, look at that. I'm gonna try that again. My buddy put a video on his Instagram page of him mudding with all his friends. I mean, this isn't mudding, but I mean, this is kind of like fun because you could just like hit it and do whatever. Let's try that one. Dang. See, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty fun because you can just go out and even though this is a 354 take, you know, it's not all the power in the world, but oh my goodness, look at the, I don't know, I think this is like level 1 of getting into mudding. This is like Need for Speed level 1 in the mud world. This is like Need for Speed under mud. That should be a game. Ugh. So obviously that one was spinning. That's weird. I guess that one was just looking like it was like along for the ride. Ugh. Ow, ow, ow. Alright, I'm gonna try it one more time. I don't know why. I just am. Ugh. So what I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna put it in two-wheel drive just to prove that I am in two-wheel drive and just stab it, see what happens. But I already did that. And you can see like it just spins. So that's where I made it right there. I'm gonna see if I can get it a little further. Because this is pretty deep. I mean, for me, geez, Christ, I didn't grow up in the mud. Straight out the mud. It's actually pretty fun. I wonder if I can find like a mud trail and take my car over there. I mean, I pretty much made my own mud trail right now. I'm pretty close to the trailer that's back there. So that means that tire has to be like, the right rear has to be like engulfed in it. So, I'm out here solo dolo, bro. Oh, well that wasn't climatic at all. So that's two-wheel drive. And we're not going anywhere. See, we're stuck. Now what I'm gonna do is put it in neutral, take it in 4 high, put it in reverse. Same thing. Weird. That's just me off the gas pedal in 4 low. I'm on the brake, off the gas. On the brake, off the gas. Alright, so it's obvious that we're kind of stuck. Let's see. Aw, man. That wasn't even fun. I really don't want to be like shooting myself in the foot right now, but let's go reverse again. Let's go reverse again. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, that's enough playing in the mud. I'm gonna get out of here. At least I know I can get out of a place like that, because obviously, but it's weird that the front wheels don't spin. Maybe it's the right front wheel that's the one doing the work, and the left front wheel is just kind of like along for the ride at times. Oh my goodness. But I got out. I was in there and I got out. Two-wheel drive didn't get out. Four-wheel drive, I got out. So it works. I just passed 400. This is pretty crazy. It's pretty awesome. Halfway there to the 1,000 mark. So make fun of it, my kind of first time in mud, clay, whatever you want to call it. Like my other videos, tell your buddies, and that's it. I'll see you guys on the next video.